Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the absolutely best strawberry crunch cake. Guess what? I'm giving you all the details today. If you are new here, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell, okay? These are some of the things that you're going to need, and don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. For step one, we're going to take our 8-inch cake pans, spray them with our baking spray, and I pre-cut a round piece of parchment paper to add to the bottom. So we'll set those aside and we'll start to prepare for our frosting. I'm going to use a 1-ounce package of freeze-dried strawberries. You can find these at Target. You want to process these into a fine powder. Any chunks that you have are okay. We're going to set this aside and get started on our actual cream. Now to get started, you're going to need 4 sticks of unsalted butter. Make sure that the butter is softened. You're going to whip the butter on medium speed for at least 5 minutes. Do not do any time less than 5 minutes. Okay, make sure that you whip the butter 5 minutes. Also, to make sure that everything is integrated, you want to continuously scrape down the sides and continuously whip this butter for 5 minutes. Now it's time to add in 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. If you like your frosting less sweet, you'll add 2.5 cups. But if you like it more sweet, then you'll add up to 4 cups of powdered sugar. Add it in a cup at a time, just fold it in, and don't forget to scrape the sides to make sure that everything is mixed in very well. Once the powdered sugar and the butter are all incorporated, we're going to move on to the next step. Now let's add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and next we will add in that strawberry dust. Add 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. The dehydrated strawberries gives it a nice pink color without having to add any artificial dyes or colorants. For the third step, we'll be using 1 box of strawberry cake mix, and we will also be using a 3-ounce box of strawberry jello. Grab a whisk that together with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, let's combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Make sure to combine well. Be sure to add all of your cake batter to your 8-inch cake pans, and we're going to cook this at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. After baking, allow your cakes time to cool off and remove the parchment paper. Flip over the first cake and generously frost the first layer. Once your entire cake is frosted, it's time to move on to the cookie crumble. You can crush them in the food processor or in a plastic bag with a rolling pin. Whisk in 3 ounces of strawberry jello with your crushed cookies and apply them to the frosting. Make sure your hands are clean when applying them to the frosting.